All right, guys, I just want to tell you three main points. The reason why consulates do not look into your document before taking a decision regarding to your visa application. Because some of you may be thinking that, but some people, they don't ask them much questions, but yet their visa is being approved. All right, my wonderful people, before we go into detail regarding to this, please make sure you are subscribing. Click the notification button if what we are doing here, you like it and you want to be getting more information regarding to your visa application and how to succeed. All right, there are three main reasons why consulates do not rely on your documents before taking a decision. Okay, now, and that is one of the reasons why I keep telling you guys, do not use agencies in your visa application. Do not allow agencies to provide the documents you really need in your visa application, because sometimes it might not favor you. I know that not really all agencies are bad. Some are good, but majority are bad. Okay, but in whichever way, in whatever you do, make sure you provide every necessary document you need in your visa application. Okay, do not allow agencies to provide your visa documents. All right. Now, the first main reason why consulates do not rely on your visa documents is because they do not have all the time in the world to go through your documents one after the other. If you check in most cases, for those of you who have applied for 2-3 times for their visa, if you check, some of them will just go through your documents just like this. They'll just go through it like this. Or sometimes they will just take the document from you and put it on the side or the right hand or the left hand on their table. All right. The reason is because they do not rely on your document. They do not have all the time in the world, because there are tons of people out there waiting for their own turn. If you check most of the embassies, except here in abroad, where you will see just few people at the embassy. Even here in abroad, you see a lot of people who are applying for visa to travel one or two places, especially in Nigeria embassies in The Hague, Netherlands. There are a lot of people every day going to the embassy. Now, let's talk about Nigerian, tons of people who are having the same day appointment just like you. Okay, so all these people are waiting to be attended. They have the same day, almost the same time with you, or maybe interval of 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So the interviewer, the consulate, do not have all the time in the world to look into your document one after the other. That is one, because they would like to attend to each and everyone who has applied or booked appointment for their visa interviewed. And they would like to finish that as fast as possible in order to go home on time. Don't forget, all these things are much stress given to the consulates, to your interviewers. All right. Now, that is first, because they try to meet up time. So they do not have all the time in the world to look into your document. Two, document what you provide. They do not rely on your document because most people do provide fake documents. There are websites, a lot of websites that where you can easily go and obtain fake document. And that is also reason why I told you, do not use agencies in your visa application. I'll strictly understand that there are agencies who are good, who knows what they're doing, but majority of agencies are not good. So even if you are doing your visa application with an agency, make sure you provide the document by yourself, and make sure you make research regarding to where you are traveling to, regarding to what you are applying for. If you make a research, if you are aware of what you are applying for, if a consulate is asking you a question, you will be able to convince them enough. The reason is because you knows what you are going for and you have it in your fingertips. You can be able to answer without even biting your tongues or without even thinking twice. All right. Visa interviewers, the consulates, they rely so much in your appearance. They rely so much on your boldness. They rely so much on how much you can explain or convince them about your visa application. It's not about the document. They don't look into the document, what you are presenting before them. Thirdly, the third one, are you aware that it's against the consulate's embassy's rule to take a decision based on your document? Are you aware that it's against embassy, almost all the embassies in the world? They don't base on your document before taking a decision whether to approve your visa or to reject your visa. It is against their rule. You might be asking, how did I know all these things? Yes, when you come abroad, you understand what I'm saying. When you have friends who work at the embassy, when you have people, when you connect with white people who work at the embassy, you will understand what I'm saying. All right. So these are the main reason why they do not rely on your document before taking a decision. The consulate or your interviewer has 3 minutes after your visa interview to decide to approve or to disapprove your visa application. It might not happen instantly, right in your presence, but already you see them write something on your document, whether to approve or to reject. They will write it, they will throw it one side, and you will think that they will look into it after. No, they have already approved or rejected you instantly with that little note they put on your document. Okay, so that brings to the reason why I said you guys should stop using agency. Even if you want to use agencies, make sure you provide the original document and make sure you make proper research in order to withstand every question that comes before you, in order to convince, because what you know very well is what you can be able to answer. What you don't know, you will be biting your tongue. You cannot be able to convince someone about what you don't know. And based on your direct interviews, that will determine what decision they will take. Now, you may be asking, what about people that travel, get their visa through group or one way or the other? Yes, there is always someone who is there to represent them. They also make a confirmation regarding to that. Do you understand what I'm saying? So don't rely so much on your documents to leave it in the hands of agencies, because many websites can provide you a lot of documents that you want, but they are fake. So what you can do, even if they don't want it, provide your document in case they need it from you. But prepare yourself, make your due diligent research, and know what you are going in for. Wisdom might come from anywhere, from any angle. Whether you're a student, you're going for tourist, visiting, or whichever way you're traveling and you applied for your visa, make sure you do your due diligent research to answer and convince your consulate or your visa interviewer. All right. So that brings to the end of this program for today. I hope this helps someone out there. And I still remember myself, King of Updates. HOLLANDDOVE, please make sure you subscribe and keep following this channel. All right. Click your notification button and I will see you in my next video.